There are times in our life that our days are blue and blue. We don't feel the desire of go on living. We don't know what to do and how to be alive again. We just want to end everything. Then Jesus Christ will come so our sin to be seen, letting us know that we never walk alone. Never, never, never ever. He offers his shoulders for us to lean on. Cry if you wanted to cry. He will wipe our tears anyway. He will carry us in his back when we are swerving. He unload our burdens by the way. When I climb and about to fall, he is there to rescue us right away. He is just very faithful to us all the way. Jesus is his name, J that gives joy. He is Elohim, the Son of God Most High, Jesus that sustains me for eternity. I am Christ, and for his name, he tracked my way and compassed me to navigate the road of fidelity, to make my life a lonely free. With him, my life is complete. A to Z, 1 to 12. Jesus, his blessed name, personal choice.